everybody, my name is Elisa Poli. I'm professor of architectural history and responsible for research at the new Academy of Fine Art in Milan and Rome. I was here to give a lecture at the Western Caspian University. I've been extremely grateful for this opportunity given by the rector, the vice rector, and the director of the Department of Art and Design. They welcomed me and they gave me the opportunity to meet an incredible group of students, very curious and very open to learn new things. I hope to have again the opportunity to come to Baku, not only because it's a beautiful city, but because I felt the warmth of people, and I think it's a great opportunity to make exchange and also to work together on the didactical program. Thank you very much.